thoughts that can come when we're too much in the head, when we're overthinking things and then become overwhelmed. And so what we use Pawpaw for is to help break down those seemingly insurmountable tasks into small, manageable parts. So we can use Pawpaw for overwhelm, excessive thinking, and to help with getting things done when you're feeling overwhelmed. In physical medicine, interestingly, we actually use an enzyme from the pawpaw to help digest proteins. So it's also breaking down things to make it assimilatable through your system, so your body can better absorb and utilise those nutrients. That's on the physical level using the pawpaw fruit, but on the energetic level we can use the energy from the pawpaw flower to do that same thing with the mind. So breaking down those too excessive thoughts that we can have that are going on. So it's one of the main remedies that's in the Cognis. Has anyone used the Cognis blend before? Yeah, so the Cognis is really good for study, and also if you've got any other tasks that need to be done, like maybe if you want to do your tax or something that you really need to focus on. The Cognis is amazing for that. We're going to look at a couple more flowers after this as well that are all about helping to enhance that focus, concentration, memory, and that type of thing.
I did my taxes last week. I was thinking, gosh, I wish I had that pop-up last week. Exactly.
Yeah, but remember now you can visualise. You find pictures of the plant, to get that vision of it, and then visualise it. If you've got a pawpaw tree somewhere around, you can just go and sit by the tree as well. And so pawpaw trees are actually male or female, but you can also get trees that are both, that have both male and female flowers. I think the original pawpaws you could either they were either female trees and male trees, but I think now that they've been able to make cultivars where you get the ones that are both. And so they have different flowers. So these are the male flowers. They're the sort of smaller flowers that hang on these big long things that come out of the pawpaw tree. And then the female flowers are the bigger flowers that are nestled where the fruit starts to grow within the branches. And so, you might have seen this before, where they talk about the layers of consciousness.